Nice to see you again. Again, nice to see you here on today's workshop. It will be my pleasure, together with Antriana, to work on today's workshop and to discuss moreover the expected results that we will have. I'm gonna start this quick introduction with a very short presentation of what is expected on today's workshop, and then it will be open for discussions. But before, if you like to say a few words, if somebody wants to greet, and Triana, maybe you want to say something, or whoever, please feel free to do so.
If I mean, at the end, we will have a questionnaire and I will send it later in the chat maybe. So please, everyone can complete it.
Okay, I can see that we have many participants here, 19 people in total in the workshop from all of the participating countries in the project, which I will present now shortly. So this is a very good start of the workshop. We are actually facing now the challenges of teaching behind the screen. I'm not teaching, of course. I'm just working with you, but it's pretty much similar to teaching behind the screen. So you're asking people, are you ready? Do you need more time? Because you don't see them and you cannot feel the presence of the person. So let's keep ourselves motivated.
I can say some words. It's possible.
Yes.
I think that the questions are good. They sound nice. I mean, they're understandable. Just for me, it is difficult when we're talking about animation, because like this question is like I'm not sure how was exactly the question, but it's something between the video and animation. And not lately, maybe I never use animation in my teaching till this moment, and I'm not sure how this will be useful for everybody, because one is everybody now checking some videos in YouTube or internet, but when we're talking about animation, it's completely different, and I think it's very difficult first to create them, and after that to express what the teacher want to say, I mean, to the audience. And I think this is the only question for me. But the other, it was nice. My score is 82 from 85, and I think it's okay. Thank you.
Did you read thank you very much. Also, did you read what the specifics about your profile, and then how can you improve further your motivation?
Yeah, I check some. I check that that's very nice. That on the end I received some additional advices. How can I be better? That's very nice, I think. And I will think about it. I must give them some minutes, to go in my mind. Thank you.
Thank you for this comment.
I would like to share that you need to attend our next webinar on the 22nd, 10 CAT, and there we will talk about comic strip videocast storytelling. Also, Barbara, and yes, and I hope that you will gain your answer there.
Did I fill it out? I have 77 points of
That's
it.
a very high score.
Thank you. I don't feel comfortable to make video lessons in the area that I didn't arrange myself. I prefer to make it in the scholar areas where the teaching facilities are right around me. And also, I am highly experienced in online teaching because of the coronavirus gave us this opportunity, and we were all online all the time. And it was pretty boring for the students because we didn't have all these tools that now are available. And thank you for making such kind of survey and such kind of evaluating every aspect of this, because this is a really good point of view in this world that we are living now.
To say thank you so much again for your time to taking this workshop with us. It was a pleasure leading it on the behalf of Associate Professor Asia Panjarova, which, as I said, is the leader of the project.